Hey guys, welcome back. We are finally underway with another brew day. So I'm just doing the mash at the moment. While that's happening, I'll tell you a little bit about the beer and the recipe. So as you would have seen from the title, it's called Krush Red IPA. Haven't done a red IPA for quite a while. I'm not sure why, because I absolutely love red IPAs. So the recipe's based on some previous red IPAs. The main change is I've changed all the base malt out for Vienna, so it's 84% Vienna malt, and then it's 8% each of medium crystal and then Shepherd's Delight. The Shepherd's Delight is what's going to give it the rich malty flavour, sort of fruit cakey flavour, and also give it that really nice red colour, red hue, using US-05 hops. And then as the name suggests, Krush. I spotted that Hauraki Homebrew, my local homebrew shop, had these Krush brand hops, which I've never heard of, never used. You guys let me know if you've used them yourself and what you think of them. But got some really great descriptors. So just reading off some of the descriptors here. So tropical fruit, mango, guava, stone fruit, characters of peach, and then citrus characters of orange, and then finally some like mixed berries. So sounds really intriguing. I thought it'd go well on a red IPA. So yeah, let's get the mash finished, and then we'll do some steps along the way, and I'll have a chat at the end. Cheers guys. Okay, so we're 12 minutes from the end of boil. I'm going to do my first hop drops. And we've got our Whirfloc in there. I thought I'd put it at the same time so I don't forget. So yeah, that's 30 grams of the Krush hops. It'll give us about 40 IBUs. So yeah, we'll let it do its thing. We'll be back. Okay, so we've reached the end of the boil. Now we're going to add in 40 grams of Krush hops and do a 15-minute hop stand. So I've dropped the temperature down to just under 80 degrees Celsius, just so we don't add in any more bitterness. So we'll let that do its thing and we'll be back. Okay, so the hop stand's finished. I've cooled the wort down as much as I can, and we're just transferring into the fermenter through the hop spider. And hopefully you can sort of see that red colour already. Looks a bit muddy, but yeah, it should hopefully translate into a nice rich red colour in the end beer. So we'll finish the transfer, I'll grab a sample and we'll see you shortly. Okay, so brew day is done and dusted. I've pitched the US-05. We'll ferment the beer at 18 degrees. So there's the hydro sample there. Just come outside so you can get a better idea of the colour. Really nice rich red colour, so hopefully that translates into the final beer. Came out at 1045 for original gravity. So should get around a 5% beer if that US-05 gets down to sort of 1008. Nice amount of bitterness, so I was aiming for about 40 IBUs, so I think we're in the ballpark there. So yeah, happy days. So yeah, beautiful day outside, so we'll enjoy a little bit of the sun while it lasts, and thanks for watching guys. We will catch you for the tasting video in maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Until then, drink good beer, enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you later. Over and out. Cheers.